What's up, traders? Welcome back to another exciting session. Today, I'm revealing something huge, the ultimate trading challenge strategy that every beginner must have. If you've been struggling to find a winning formula, this is the breakthrough you've been waiting for. We're about to take a simple but powerful trading approach, break it down step by step, and show you how to turn small trades into consistent profits with minimal risk. Sounds good? Let's dive right in. All right, here's how this strategy works. It's all about timing, trend confirmation, and smart risk management. Our AI-powered system does three things. 1. It scans the market in real time to detect high-probability trade setups. 2. It confirms the trend direction using powerful indicators like price action and volume analysis. 3. It executes with precision, avoiding emotional decisions and securing the best possible entries. This method removes all the guesswork and gives you clear, actionable trade signals. Let's put it to the test with live trades. Now, I'm starting this challenge with a simple $500 trade. Watch closely as the AI detects a perfect entry. And we're in. The bot is analyzing key market movements, detecting momentum shifts, and boom! First trade secured with profit. We're scaling up. I'm increasing my next trade size, keeping risk controlled, and executing another high-accuracy trade. Look at this setup. Textbook perfect. And another win. Just like that, in just a few minutes, we've already stacked up serious profits. All thanks to this strategy. The best part? This strategy is built for beginners. You don't need years of experience. Just follow these simple rules, and you'll see results. No complicated indicators, no risky overtrading. Just clear, calculated moves that bring consistent wins. And if you're still unsure, we offer free demo sessions so you can see the bot in action before using real money. This is your chance to trade smart and take control of your financial future. If you're serious about winning in trading, don't waste time on strategies that don't work. Try this now and experience the difference. Visit our website today for a limited time offer. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more trading challenge videos like this. Let's grow together and dominate the markets. See you in the next one.